With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So in the given question, classify each of the following as a physical or a chemical change and also give reasons here, right? So there are some statements here in which we need to classify them as a physical or a chemical change, right? So first of all, I talk about what is physical or what is chemical change, right? So first is physical change. Okay, so what is a physical change? In physical change, there is only change in the appearance of a substance, right? Not its chemical composition. Okay, so in this physical change, there is a change in appearance, right? Change in appearance of a substance. But not its chemical composition, right? Next, if I talk about what is chemical change, right? So what happens in chemical change? In chemical changes causes a substance to change into an entirely substance with a new chemical formula, right? In this, a substance to change into an substance with a new chemical formula, right? Because there is a new formation of compound, we can say, right? New chemical formula, right? And chemical change are also known as the chemical reactions, we can say. Okay, so let's see these statements. The first one is A, that is drying of a shirt in the sun. Okay, so drying of a shirt in the sun, it is a physical change, right? Because there is a evaporation of water takes place, but there is no change occurs in the composition of a substance here, right? So in first statement, there is a physical change occurs, right? Physical change occurs because there is only this evaporation of water, right? As the shirt is drying in the sun, there is an evaporation of water, but there is no change occur in the composition of the substance. We can take the shirt here, there is no change in the composition of the substance here, right? Okay, next statement, that is B. In this, rising of hot air over a radiator, right? Okay, so this is also a physical change. Why? Because it is also involving only movement of air, right? There is no change in the composition of air, right? There is only movement of air taking place, but no change in the composition of air, right? So this is also a physical change here, right? B is also involving in a physical change, right? The next statement is C, that is burning of kerosene, right? Burning of kerosene in a lantern. Okay, burning of kerosene in a lantern. Okay, so this can be a first physical change when kerosene vaporize, right? After that, burning of kerosene is a chemical change as a new product are formed here, right? Okay, so in this burning of kerosene in lantern, there is first physical change, right? Here, first step involving in physical change here, as when the kerosene vaporizes, right? When kerosene, right? After that, burning of kerosene is a chemical change. This is a chemical change. Why? Because as a new product is formed here, right? As a new product is formed here, right? Okay. Next we talk about the next statement, that is D. Okay, the next statement is D, that is change in color of black tea on adding lemon juice to it, right? Okay, so adding the lemon juice to the tea result in increase of acidity of tea, right? This involve increased of acidity of tea, right? Acidity of tea, due to which in turn result in color change, right? This turn in the color change, hence this will be termed as a chemical change, right? This will be termed as a chemical change here. So the correct answer for D is that chemical changes are occur in this process, right? Chemical change. Okay, now the next statement, that is churning of milk, right? Churning of milk cream to get butter. So this is a physical change, as there is no change in the composition, right? Only the separation of components, right? Churning of milk to churning of milk cream to get butter, right? Only there is a separation of components takes place, right? Separation, right? Okay. So in churning of milk there is a physical change, as there is no change in the composition, only the separation of components, right? Only the separation of component takes place, only there is a physical change, physical appearance change. Okay, so this involving in the physical phenomena, right? So the correct answer for this E is that it is involving in a physical change here, right? Okay, so these are the answer of these statements which involving in physical or chemical changes here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.